Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now today the lighting might look a little bit different because I'm actually filming this in the morning and it's dark, and so I'm having to use artificial light, which is why you can see my selfie stick holder and I've not quite sorted out the situation, so I do hope you'll bear with me. Today for you I'm going to be setting up my October in my bullet journal, and this is to kind of launch the series where for the first week anyway I'm going to be planning every day in my bullet journal, showing you how I'm going to use leftovers and like sampler kits and things like that in my planner to help prep me for the day and all that jazz. So I thought I'd start off, and in the spirit of leftovers I have this sheet here from a monthly kit that I used with Poppy Willow Co. This is actually my August plan with me. As you can see, August is missing. And she gives you, all of her kits are customizable. They're not dated, so you can pick the date in, and I've got this silver foil here. So I'm just going to grab the October sticker, and that's where we're going to start off. It is on this kind of blue background because this is a nautical themed kit, but I think it works for kind of like autumn. It's a deep rich colour, so I think that would work for October, and I've just ripped it, which is excellent. Let's see if I can try and stick a surgery this. I need my tweezers. Okay, I need to get under. There we go. October. And to fill in all the dates and things, I'm going to be using a lost focus, a gel pen from Simply Gilded. This is from one of my subscription boxes, and I like to see is a little mini calendar, and then I can manipulate that however I need, like annotate it. So if we start on, I believe Wednesday is kind of like here. Tuesday, oh no, Thursday's in Norway. Oh well. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh well. And then we start on Thursday is the 1st. So I do like a good annotate. It's part of my profession. I'm always encouraging people to annotate. I'm a biology teacher, and so yeah, I like these small calendars that I can then annotate with whatever's happening. And at the moment, nothing much because our holiday in October half term got cancelled, and yeah, I'm really sad about it. Now, because I did this a little bit wonky, I'm going to add, also from the kit, we have these little deco things, so I might do a little bow to help even it out, and now it looks a little bit more centred, even though it's way busy on here, but as I annotate things, that should happen. So I'm going to wait for that ink to dry, because I want to highlight over the top of it to help with my annotations. So yeah, so there we've got some fill foil, and then that's kind of it. That's all I really do set up my month, I have to say. I'm not very exciting in my bullet journal. I do have some goals and things that I want to get done this month, and I probably should use some habit trackers to help track those, but I'm not at the moment, so we'll see if I need them in November. But yeah, and then the rest of these pages are going to be filled with stickers each day. I've done kind of like a sample, so this is my day yesterday. So this is the kind of thing hopefully I'll be bringing for you every day for the first week of October, from the 1st through to the 7th. And if people like them and you want to see more, then I could maybe do the whole week, the whole month, if I'm able to actually get all these sorted and uploaded and things. So I'm challenging myself here, but I'm excited. So thank you so much for watching this very short video on setting up my October monthly. Really isn't a lot, but I hope it introduces you to the theme of this month and what I'm going to be trying to get rid of. Well, not kind of get rid of, but reinvigorate all of those leftover kits. I do actually have, oh my gosh, a whole stack of kits leftovers that I'm going to try and pull in. And yeah, we'll have some fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the 1st of October. Bye!